Great minds, welcome to Life Vision Academy. Once again, it is your friend and tutor David Chisholm. Life Vision Academy is dedicated to bringing you videos related to mathematics. I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers, and if you're a first timer, I would love you to click on the subscribe button for you to be notified with all of our videos. Thank you and welcome. Alpha raised to power 4 plus beta raised to power 4. Now we are all trying to derive the relationship so that you won't be confused when we start solving examples with them. Now, how do we derive this? This is derived from saying alpha plus beta raised to the power of 4. So here, how do we expand this? We will still make reference to the expansion coefficient, which says that when we expand s plus s plus y raised to the power of 4, that the coefficient becomes 14641. Okay, so we use this to expand this, which is alpha plus beta raised to the power of 4, because we use each of the coefficient, which is 1 times alpha raised to the power of 4 times beta raised to the power of 0 plus 4 times alpha raised to the power of 3 times beta raised to the power of 1 plus 6 times alpha raised to the power of 2 times beta raised to the power of 3 plus 4 times alpha times beta raised to the power of no, this is 2, this is 3 plus 1 times alpha naught times beta raised to the power of 4. Okay, so this becomes alpha plus beta raised to the power of 4 equals 1 times alpha naught, alpha raised to the power of 4, sorry, times 1 plus 4 times alpha cube times beta plus 6 times alpha square times beta square plus 4 times alpha times beta cube plus 1 times 1 times beta raised to the power of 4. So this becomes alpha raised to the power of 4 plus 4 alpha cube times beta plus 6 alpha square beta square plus 4 alpha beta cube plus beta raised to the power of 4. Now this becomes alpha raised to the power of 4 plus beta raised to the power of 4 plus 4 alpha cube beta plus 4 alpha beta cube plus 6 alpha square beta square. Now this becomes, don't forget where we're coming from, x plus beta raised to the power of 4, x plus beta raised to the power of 4. We want to get the relationship for alpha raised to the power of 4 plus beta raised to the power of 4. Now what it means is that we make alpha raised to the power of 4 plus beta raised to the power of 4 the subject of the formula in the expansion, which becomes alpha raised to the power of 4 plus beta raised to the power of 4 plus, now there is a common term here, which is 4 alpha beta, which is here alpha square plus beta square plus 6 alpha beta all square. From the law of indices, I can combine the two and raise it up to the power of 1. Now, which is here, I'll have alpha plus beta raised to power of 4, alpha plus beta raised to power of 4. Now, what it means here, I will make this the subject of the formula, which means that I have to take this over to this side. That is, becomes alpha plus beta raised to power of 4. This and this crosses over. You have minus 4 alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square, then minus 6 alpha beta all square is equal to alpha raised to the power of 4 plus beta raised to the power of 4. That means, therefore, alpha plus beta, alpha raised to the power of 4 times beta raised to the power of 4 becomes alpha plus beta raised to the power of 4 minus 4 alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square minus 6 alpha beta all squared. Now, what do you see here? You will see that this becomes alpha raised to the power 4 plus beta raised to the power 4 equals alpha plus beta all raised to the power 4 minus 4 alpha beta. Now, this has a relationship. Don't forget this was alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta minus 6 alpha beta all squared. Now this becomes the relationship for finding alpha raised to the power 4 plus beta raised to the power 4 when you are asked to do that in finding the root of quadratic equation. Okay, then this is the sum of the root, product, sum of the root, product, and product. Now, when you put in the product and sum of the root, you'll be able to get the relationship or the solution to the problem. Alright, now this is another one which says alpha raised to the power 4 minus beta raised to the power 4. Okay, now this could be the last one for this segment, which is alpha raised to the power 4 minus beta raised to the power 4. You still recall the difference of 2 squared, which is, it says alpha square minus beta square equals a plus b into a minus b. So here we are having the power of 4 here. So this becomes alpha square plus beta square all into alpha square minus beta square. Okay, now if that's the case, we already have the formula for this. Don't forget, we have the formula for alpha square plus beta square. Now this as well can still become alpha square plus beta square into, now expanding this from the difference of 2 squared, it will be alpha plus beta right into alpha minus beta. Now we have derived the formula for each of these. This was given as alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. That's for this. Then here alpha plus beta, and here alpha minus beta. Therefore, when you're asked to find alpha raised to the power 4 minus beta raised to the power 4, that becomes alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta, then into alpha plus beta bracket alpha minus beta. So this becomes the relationship you use when you are asked to find alpha raised to the power 4 minus beta raised to the power 4, where alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation.